Where does the ultra-wealthy meet on yachts? In Europe, you have Monaco, Antibes, Portofino, Amalfi, and Ibiza from July to September. In the Caribbean, you have St. Barts, Antigua, and Virgin Gorda from December to February. And in Asia, you have Phuket, Langkawi, and Bali from February to April. And the events that you want to be near are the Monaco Yacht Show, the Cannes Film Festival, where yachts line up for anchor parties, the Art Basel Miami, and the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix, where you have yacht trackside viewing.